Hello and welcome to Squaring Up Training's 3-minute antisocial behaviour input. This input today is aimed at raising awareness amongst young people about their responsibilities within the community. So what is antisocial behaviour? Put really simply, antisocial behaviour is any behaviour outside of your family home, by you alone or by you with friends, that cause distress, harassment or alarm to other people, or causes damage to the environment. Now we all live in very different communities, very diverse communities, with residents who may view your actions a little bit differently to what you do. Actions such as drink or taking drugs, vandalism, littering or drug paraphernalia, fly tipping, noise nuisance or graffiti. All of these actions are suffocating our community. Now to you, these things may seem petty, they may seem small, but these things are causing our community thousands of pounds. When you engage in antisocial behaviour, everyone in the community pays for this. This is not just whether you are seen, whether you are known to be involved. You will be paying for the cost of someone else's antisocial behaviour. Increased council tax, repair bills, and an increased police presence are all costs that your parents could do without. So if you want those trainers for Christmas, if you want a new Xbox, if you want that new PlayStation game, think really carefully about where your parents are going to get that money from. And if they're paying for the cost of your antisocial behaviour and your friends, then where is that money going to come from? So thinking really honestly about the behaviour that you might be involved in. You might have been involved in yesterday, you might be involved in tonight. What will you and your friends be doing? Will you be causing criminal damage? Will you be graffitiing? Will you be discarding your rubbish? Will you be drinking and taking drugs? Will you be gathering in large groups, harassing other people? Or will you be carelessly starting fires? If the answer to any of these is yes, then it's time you thought really carefully about the consequences. Are you ready for prison? Can you pay a fine? Would you like a criminal behaviour order or a community protection notice? Do you want restrictions placing on your family? Do you want evicting from where you live? Do you want your family and friends to be disappointed in your behaviour? If the answer to these is no, then go back to that last slide and consider your choices today. Don't spend the rest of your life regretting what you are doing. Protect your community, protect your friends, and protect yourself by standing up to antisocial behaviour today. If you would like any more information on antisocial behaviour, or if you work with young people and you feel like they could have a face-to-face input or more information on this, then please do get in touch using the contact details. Thank you for your time.